Hey, it's Justin, and if you want to make your very first ClickBank commission online today, then make sure to watch every second of this presentation. Because if you've never had that feeling before, you're in for a surprise. There's no bigger rush online than landing your very first ClickBank sale. When you see that first cash deposit sitting in your account, it changes everything. Why? Because if you can generate one sale, you can generate dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands. And it's possible for you to do that each and every month practically on demand. So keep watching. In this short video, we're going to share with you how thousands of people are using ClickBank to live the dream of an automated side income or a full-time income and doing it 24/7, and how you can join them as soon as this afternoon. We'll do that by handing you the only blueprint for ClickBank success created by ClickBank themselves. Hi, my name is Justin Atlin. I'm head of ClickBank University faculty. My business partner Adam and I were actually some of the first people to make it really big with ClickBank by bringing in over millions of dollars in sales of our own products and affiliate commissions in record time. In fact, one of our products generated $1 million in just 1 week. And I'd like to introduce you to Milana Kalimulova. She's the head of product and user experience at ClickBank University.
It was years ago Justin invited me to join ClickBank on their mission to help 1 million people just like you achieve their financial dreams. How? Using ClickBank, of course. You see, every single day we help show people the way to their very first ClickBank sale. And the men and women we help along their journey come from all walks of life, but they have one thing in common. When they get that very first ClickBank commission, they get so excited. For instance, Ryan made sales in his very first week. Austin knows it feels awesome to make that first ClickBank sale. And check out Zach, who's really starting to get some momentum. Believe me, when you see that first commission in your own ClickBank account, it gives you the confidence to go on and make so much more. Over the past 10 years, ClickBank has sold over 300 million digital products and created wealth for more than 100,000 people. Now, we want to make it easier than ever before for people just like you to make the extra income that you deserve. People right now on ClickBank are reaching their financial goals. Whether that means bringing home a few hundred extra dollars in their spare time, generating a job-replacing income so they never have to show up for anything or work for anyone ever again, or swinging for the fences and generating 6- and 7-figure months and years. In the next 3 minutes, Justin and I are going to reveal how we can help you generate ClickBank commissions every month like clockwork. And the only place you find this information is right here, right now, in this free presentation.
And there's never been a better or more urgent time to kickstart your own online income. Why? Well, let me introduce you to Mordar. Now, this isn't a still from some old science fiction movie. Mordar is the future of customer service. She's a robot waitress bringing drinks to customers in a coffee shop called Robo Cafe in Vietnam. Pretty cool, right? Well, not if you're the waitress whose job just got replaced by a machine. Now, we may not have those kinds of robots in our coffee shops all around the world yet, but you can't fail to notice the small human-replacing changes that are happening each day. For instance, robotic machines stack the shelves in Amazon's warehouses. Another robot called Baxter is taking the place of men and women on the factory lines. And chatbots, just simple lines of code, can now give us realistic human conversations. They're single-handedly putting thousands of call center workers out of their jobs around the world. Plus, let's not forget the self-serve checkout kiosks replacing grocery store clerks and bank tellers by the thousands. Yet, we always think it's someone else's job that's going to be replaced, don't we?
The truth of the matter is, we all need to be aware that over the next few years, we're going to see huge changes in the world of work. Now, we don't say all of this to scare you, but to prepare you, because although few of us can rely on a job for life anymore, we believe that right now, more than ever, is the real opportunity. In fact, this just may be the greatest time in history to create wealth for yourself. And maybe you've already dabbled in a few things online. Many of our clients at ClickBank University tried and failed at things like SEO, Facebook ads, network marketing, writing articles for pennies, yet things could have been so different for them. What they were missing was a helping hand, a guide along the path to that first life-changing sale or commission.
So if you want to do things the right way, where do you start? Take it from me. The flat-out simplest way is with the platform, the tools, and the training of the internet's most trusted retailer of digital products, ClickBank. ClickBank enabled Melanie to live her dream. Traveling the world with her husband, Melanie has no boss to report to, no job tying her down. She enjoys a freedom most of us can only dream about. Yet it's all because she uses ClickBank to sell her digital product on meditation. With ClickBank, many of her sales and income are automated, paid into her bank account every 2 weeks without fail. And then there's Ron. Ron quit his job and painful 50-hour work weeks to put his homemade digital cookbook on the ClickBank platform. Over time, he's generated $1 million in sales from his cookbooks. These are just simple PDFs digitally delivered. The entire sales process is actually taken care by ClickBank.